Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a very large Excel file without Excel. In this example, I'm going to use CSV file as example, which you can download from GitHub. Has a lot of useful examples. You will find the link in the description to this video. I have already created source directory, it's called data, where everything is stored. Let's start from creating a new transformation. Let's call it converting water to wine. That's what we all need to do, would like to learn as well. So first thing we need to do, we need to select the source file, auto format grid, set field names, change the reader properties. So connection is called data, text files. Set reader name to water. There is nothing for us to validate, so we can just delete the validate object. Let's set writer properties again. Change the name to wine. Connection with data. We are working with Excel file. Let's call it result. And we need to select the file name. And we will call it result as well, and it is okay. What we need to do now, we need to set the field names. Well, we can do it manually, like this. Or there is much easier alternative option. We can just copy it, because we believe that everything must be convenient for the users. So we copied it, and the next step is to map the fields. Again, we can map the fields manually, or we can just use automap. Just click map now, and mapping is done. Use our data. So we are now ready to run our transformation. All we need to do is to press the green arrow, and it is running. So while it is doing that, let me explain to you how software works with Excel file. It does everything in memory. For example, when creating a new file, it will create the file in the memory first, and once transformation is completed, it will write it to the file. Or when updating existing file, it will load the file into memory, and then it will write the result back. So one of the benefits of this approach, that for example, you can connect multiple writers to the same file, but different sheets, and update multiple sheets at the same time. It is writing the data now, taking a while. If you rename XLSX file into zip file, you will suddenly realize that file actually has a lot of XML files inside, so it is just compressed XML. So let's click close. As you can see, it took approximately 30 seconds to complete, to create 1 million records file. Let's check the data. It will take a while because the file is quite large, but that's expected. So it is reading now. Okay, so here's our data. and we can even see it in Excel. Actually, I use LibreOffice here, which is free. Okay, it's loading the data. If you have any questions or suggestions or struggling with transforming your data, please go to our support forum and ask them there, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. And of course, please like and subscribe this video. Here is our data, successfully loaded into Excel. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.